What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In my last one I showed you guys how I re-cleared the Type S headlights. Looks so good, but now it's time to throw them on. I actually really have to hurry up, so not only I need this car for work tomorrow, car's parked over here, because we're getting work done right over here. The whole driveway is going to be paved, so I definitely need this car done by today. They are paving this side of the road tomorrow, so it's going to be super loud, but sit back and enjoy. Sorry guys, I had tape there and I ran out of time because it started pouring, so I had to think quick. I had to use the grill cover to cover it up. Hopefully they did a good job. Seems like nothing got wet, so that's great. Let's keep going. So I already encountered my first issue. The part that I ordered that came in, it's actually doesn't match up. This is bigger. I think this is for the 0405. I have the 06 and up, which the ballast is smaller. Like, here is the headlight, and it should fit in just like that with no gap. Fits perfect with 3 screws, but this one is way too big. I already tried it. There's no way to work around it besides like cutting this little area, and I definitely don't want to do that. So that ballast is a no-go since it doesn't fit. Unfortunately, I do have to drive around with one good headlight. I'm gonna try to reorder a new one, the correct one. So with that being said, let's get going with the install. Here's how it's looking. Sorry for the noise guys, they are doing yard work, but this is what I had to come up with when it started raining. I just had to throw everything in a bucket. I already got the bulbs going. Like I said last time, this is for a daylight running light, this is for a turn signal, and one of them is for the HID ballast. Here are the Type S headlights. They are looking super clean. Man, I'm loving how the way they turned out. So clear. And one thing I did have to fix was, see this spot right here is JB Weld. Some of it was coming off, so I fixed it overnight. Hopefully it's done drying. And I don't even know if the headlight coating is 100% dry. So I might damage it a little bit. It might be still a little soft. We'll see what happens. Let's keep going with the install. Oh my god, it looks so good. And did I mention that I got switchbacks? Yep, I gotta do it. Keeping with the LED theme and switchbacks. Also, I don't have the daylight running lights set up. There is no daylight running light set up for the 04 through 06. I do have an external controller for that, but I don't have it wired up. I actually disabled it and unhooked it, so it's not hooked up. I do have to fix it anyways because before it had it on full brightness, day or night. So at night, it would actually just glow like kind of like a high beam, and it would really blind people. So that wasn't great. Let's hop in the car real quick guys, because remember that issue last time where the arrow was there? Nope, no arrow. Let me put in the keys. Everything works as normal now. Emergency lights, right blinker, left blinker, high beam. We're good. So remember the issue from last time where it was a green arrow? Yep, it's not there anymore. Everything works now, so that's great. So I don't have the bumper bolted on, but I wanted to make sure everything works, so turn signals work like they should. Obviously the HID ballast is busted on this one, but the turn signal does work. This isn't connected, like I said. This works, turn signal works. I just gotta attach the fogs, bolts all the bolts in with a bumper. We're good to go. Type S headlights are back on. They're looking so good. I actually really miss them, and since they're looking more fresh, oh, this looks so good. But let's go through what happened in the couple days that I installed it. One of the things that went wrong was the ballast that I bought was actually the correct one. But for some odd reason, when I tried it on this side, it kept blowing the fuse. And I have no idea why. So I used the ballast from the passenger side and put it on here, and it works fine. Which is super weird. And the new one that I bought, I actually put it on that one. And now both of them work. So that's one issue down. And coming around the passenger side, this is completely my fault. But I actually already scratched it up. You can see a little like scrape right here, and that's my fault because when I was putting on the bumper, it's kind of hard doing it with one person, but it accidentally went up and it scraped up the headlight. Still looking a lot better than last time. This one was the more hazy one, and it's really sunny out, so you can see all the little imperfections, but it is looking really good. Turn signals are now switchbacks. I got this up and running. I'm going to leave a link for it down in the video description box because a few people on the forum ask what they use for daylight running light, or what you can use to convert the 04 to 06 to the Type S. On my car at least, this is different, and there's no plug outlet for that. Here's the turn signal on. This is glitching a little bit just because how the camera picks it up, but this is on. It's a little hard to tell, but at night you can definitely clearly see it's on. See the little LED bulbs? Yep. See super shiny right there? It's all white. Let me turn on the turn signal. Here's the turn signal. Yeah, it's looking so good. So I got this switch back along with the other one too. Oh, I'm so happy to have working headlights. Both of them work now. It feels so good driving at night and be able to see everything out on the road. It kind of sucks that it's not as flashy as the RGB headlights. You know, everything works as normal, but everything works. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.